this all running really good. Now we gotta take it apart. I got a little hint that there's a head gasket issue. I'm gonna show you something. Yeah, you wouldn't believe it, but I'm gonna at least show you something real quick. Old school. Seems to be running great, huh? That's what we thought. Listen how smooth this thing runs. Well, I'm not gonna even start it back up. You just heard that. I'm not even gonna start it. I don't wanna wash a bearing. I just got indication that it has a head gasket issue, and I'm not gonna start it back up. But you just heard how smooth this thing runs. I don't wanna start it back up again. But now I'm gonna get a video of taking this apart. Bear with me. Thanks.